Hello, my friends. Do you want to buy Huayna Picchu tickets and you don't know how? It's simple. You need to buy your Machu Picchu entrance ticket, circuit 4 or number 4. That's it, my friend. If you don't know how to buy, I can help you, and it's free. No extra cost. Just you need to contact me. I'm gonna link the link below how to contact me, and then I will buy for you for free your Huayna Picchu entrance ticket, my friends. Okay? Hello, my friends. My name is Cesar Conde. I am official tour guide in Peru, as well as owner of Tour Leaders Peru Adventure. And today I'm gonna climb Huayna Picchu mountain with these beautiful ladies from Texas. In total, we are 12 two tour guides right now. We just finished hiking the classic Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, and now we are going to climb Huayna Picchu mountain. So as well as I'm gonna show you some random videos. This video is nothing like pro, because I need to stop and talk with my group, because we're still leading, we're still guiding our team. So this is not professional photo video, nothing like that, my friends. But it's very important to know as well, carry a lot of water when you're hiking Huayna Picchu mountain. So just keep in mind, there is not restaurants inside Huayna Picchu mountain or in Machu Picchu in general. The only restaurants that you will find, it's in the main gate of Machu Picchu. Before to getting into Machu Picchu city, make sure to be and leave everything there. There's no restaurants. If you're thinking to do behind the branches, behind the rock, I apologize, I'm sorry, you might be in trouble. There's rangers everywhere, as well as there's hidden cameras everywhere, my friends. This is technology, and just be careful with these hidden cameras in Huayna Picchu and Machu Picchu mountain. And yes, Huayna Picchu is very tough, because the inclination of this mountain or the hike is actually like 70 degrees. Okay, it's very steep. Right now I'm almost at the top, so that's a beautiful mountain, and then Machu Picchu at the bottom, Machu Picchu city. Yes, it takes like 2 hours round trip. For me, took me less, maybe because we hike already Machu Picchu Inca Trail, or Inca Trail to Machu Picchu, which is higher than this mountain. We acclimatized very well. My team as well, they're super hikers. We did less than 45 minutes to climb to the top, but usually on your own rhythm, it's gonna probably take you 50 minutes, no more than 1 hour. Walk slow and steady, no rush. Just if you want to know a little bit more about Huayna Picchu, yes, my friend, you can go and climb to the Temple of the Moon, which is behind Huayna Picchu mountain. A beautiful temple. Just behind this, I can tell you, I can prove this is real. There is energy sections. You're gonna feel the energy. You know, when you feel like actually, you're gonna feel like a chicken skin, something itchy, feeling energy, a lot of energy. It's for real. I'm pretty sure that many people, many tourists found this section, these places, and then they stop for meditation to absorb the energy as much as they can. But it's true, Huayna Picchu, that's the reason Huayna Picchu is very, very special for everybody, even for tour leaders, my friend. I hike Huayna Picchu more than 100 times, but this is the way how I re-energize my body. It's a beautiful mountain. Okay, so if you want to learn more about Huayna Picchu, Machu Picchu mountain, if you want to climb other peaks, you want to hike with us, contact me. So as I told you in the beginning, I can help you to book your Huayna Picchu tickets for free. No problem. That's easy if you don't know. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Comments below, please. That's gonna help me a lot for my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.